Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tezip sir, my dear students. And today, what we are going to learn? Today, we are going to learn chapter number 12, handling a data. What, my dear students? Today, we are going to learn chapter number 12, handling a data. Yesterday, we have done this one topic of the what? How much means a people work in a nature, means how many students, how many teachers or boys or girls are there. That all type of the question we have done yesterday. We had done yesterday. Got my points, all my dear students? So today now we are going to learn what is the explanation, means looking back of the handling data, and then after it's exercise example, and that's all types of the things we are going to learn today. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood what I am telling you here. So first of all, here, first take out your book, rough book and pencil, and put a date of today's, put a heading of maths chapter number 12, and then we are going to start our session, my dear students. So before starting our session, let's check today's quote. So my dear students, now let's check today's quote. What is today's quote? Today's quote is, don't tell people your dream. Means what? Don't tell people your dream. Means don't tell to our dreams to people. We have to only show them. Understood? Don't tell to people your dream, show them. Understood? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Understood, my dear all students? So now let's start the chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 is data handling. Got my points, all my dear students? With what? Chapter number 12, data handling. Let's check a looking back, my dear all students. What I'm telling you here, let's check looking back. Okay, so all dear students, a list help organization information about things. A list helps organization information about things. Miss Kaur was taking her class for a nature walk on Monday. What, my dear all students? Mr. Kaur was taking her class for a nature walk on Monday. She asked her class to prepare for a walk by reading books on nature. Understood? So my dear all students, Mr. Kaur was taking her class for a nature walk on Monday. She asked her class to prepare for the walk by reading a book on nature. She also asked them to keep a record of the amount of time they spent to reading the books over the weekend. These are the list made by the four friends. So see, my dear students, here you are going to check this all list. So my dear all students, what I am telling you here a list of four friends. First is Sarbin, Sakshi, Hardeep and Daniel. Okay, see here the Sabnis, Sakshi and Hardeep and Daniel. There are four friends. Okay, so Sabrin is reading on Friday 1 hour, Saturday 2 hours and Sunday 3 hours. And Sakshi, Friday 0 hours, Saturday 1 hour, Sunday 2 hours. Understood? Then after the third friend is what? Hardeep. What, my dear students? Third is Hardeep. Friday 1 hour, Saturday 1 hour, Sunday 1 hour. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. And third is Daniel. Friday 1 hour, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. Got my points? Understood, my dear all students? What I am telling you, that is all informative things here are present. See here, that is chart. Okay, these four friends and its chart is here. Got my points, all dear? So look at this instruction and this all question here. Mr. Kaur combined all information into the one list with a list with many columns to show the information. Means what? Miss Kaur combine all the information into the one list with the many columns to show the information. Means they see This is all information they mixed here. Okay, means show in column. Here is name, day. Here is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and total hours. Understood, all my dear students? So how many students are there, how many children and how many friends are there? There are 4 friends: Sabni, Sakshi, Hardeep, and Daniel. And which day they are all are doing a reading? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And how many hours total how many hours they all are spent into the reading? So here that we have to write these all things. Understood, my dear all students? So let's check here, my dear all students. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So all dear Sabnis, as per I was told you, Sabnis, Sakshi, Hardeep, and Daniel. Now here we will going to solve that all question. Okay, fill the total column in the answer this question. So now we are going to what, my all dear students? We are going to solve this all question, all my dear all students. Understood? So now I'm going to write here the all things, all dear. So now let's fill with me, all dear. Now I am going to write here the total, my dear all students. Okay, Shabnis is total hours to spend the reading is 6 hours. Sakshi 0 for Saturday, 1 hour for 0 for Friday, Saturday for 1 hour, and Sunday for 2 hours. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to how many, my dear all students? 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 hours. Got my points, all my dear all students? What I am telling you, so we have to write a 3 hours. So all dear, as per I was told you, what we have to do, we have to do the addition, means we have to count the total amount here. Okay, Hardeep is spent a 1 plus 1 plus 1, means again 3 hours. Okay, Hardeep was spent a 3 hours. 3 hours spend what, my dear all students? Hardeep spent 3 hours for reading. Got my points, all my dear all students? What I am telling you? Understood, all of you? So then after Daniel, now we are going to count the Daniel is how much time spent a Daniel in reading? 1 hour, 2 hours, and 2 hours. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So how many hours they spend the time in reading, my dear all students? They all are spent the how many times, means how much times? How much times, my dear all students? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So now we are going to write 5 hours. 5 hours. So now you have to note down with me, all dear. Put my points, all my dear students? What I am telling you, you have to write the all things in your book, all dear. So you have to note down these things in your book. Then after now we are going to solve this all question. We are going to solve this all question. Understood, all dear? Who read the most? Means what is the question? Who read the most? WHO. Who read the most? Means who students? Sabni, Sakshi, Hardeep, and Daniel. They all are spend the times. How much spend that time in your reading? Okay, so see here, 6 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, and 5 hours. We have to write here the maximum time. So it's 6 hours. And who spend a 6 hours in 6 hours into the where 6 hours into the reading? So 6 hours spend a Sir Bunny. Sir Bunny. Got my points, all my dear all students? Answer is what? Sir Bunny. Understood? Now we are going to solve the second question, second answer, my dear all students. So let's check a second question or second answer, all dear. So what is the second question, all dear? Let's check the what is the question, and then after we will going to write the answer, all dear. Got my points, all dear? So now let's do with me. First of all, you have to write the question in your book, and then after we will going to solve this question. I hope you all are writing all my dear, and then we will going to start the answer. So what is the second question? Who read for a 5 hours in all? Means who read, we have to find a who read a 5 hours to in where in all. So means 6 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours and 5 hours. 5 hours are spent, Daniel spent 5 hours to reading. So that's why my dear students, we are going to mention that name. Which name? Daniel. Okay, Daniel. Put my point to all my dear students. Second is what? Daniel. Got my point? Second is Daniel, my dear students. Who read for a 5 hours in all? Daniel. Got my points? Understood, my dear all students? Then after, who did not read on Friday? See, my dear students, who did not read a Friday? So what to do, my dear students? Now we are going to check the Friday's column. What, my dear students? Friday's column and row. Okay, so today means on that day means which day? Friday. We are going to check who not read. Okay, so see here 0, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Daniel is spent 1 hour on Friday, Hardeep spent 1 hour, and Sarbani is spent 1 hour for on Friday, and Sakshi spent 0. Means what we have to mention? Sakshi did not read on Friday. So now write the Sakshi. Got my points, all my dear students. You have to note down this all answer in your book, my dear students. Do fast. Understood all what I am telling you, my dear all students? Then after the question number 4, which two students spent the same amount of the total reading? Means we have to mention here two name of two students. Both are spent equal time to reading. Okay, equal hours are spent in reading. So see here 3 hours, 3 hours. Sakshi and Hardeep. See here, Sakshi and Hardeep, they both all are spend here the what equal time. See here, my dear students, they both are spend the equal time for reading. Got my points all dear? So now I am going to write here. So now write the answer number 4 all dear. Answer number 4. Okay, answer number 4 is Sakshi and Hardeep. Sakshi and Hardeep. Answer number 4. See, answer number 4. What? Which two students spent the same amount of the total reading time? They both, Sakshi and Hardeep, both spent equal time to the reading. 3 hours, 3 hours. So my dear students, answer number 4, Sakshi and Hardeep. Understood? Got my points? I hope you all are understood. You have to note down the all question in your book. Do fast all dear. And then after we will move on here. Question number 5. What is the question number 5, all my dear students? Question number 5. How many more hours did Sarbani read on Sunday than on Friday? See here, my dear students. We have to check the Sunday or Friday. Okay. Friday he spent only 1 hour, and Sunday he spent 3 hours. Okay, so my dear students, 3 minus 2 is equal to how many? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So answer number 5 is what, all my dear students? Answer number 5 means Sarbani spent 2 hours more than Friday. Okay, got my points all dear? So now we write the answer 2 hours. 2 hours more. Okay, 2 hours more. See here difference all my dear. So my dear students, note down the all answer in your book all dear. Do fast. First answer number 5 is what? 2 hours more. Got my points my dear all of you? Then after we will move on further. So my dear all students, let's check what is a pictograph. That topic we have done yesterday. What my dear students, that topic we have done yesterday, but again we are going to do the revision of pictograph. Pictograph. See here heading of the pictograph my dear all. Pictograph. Look at the picture on a page number 195. The children are not on a nature park. This is a list of number of people who went to on the walk. Okay, and we can show the same information in interesting way with a picture. So here is what? Here is one information table. Got my points all of you my dear all? We have to write all things here. Okay, we have to write all things. We have to note down the all things in our book my dear all. Understood all of you what I am telling you? This all things is important for us. So dear all my dear students, now here we are going to use the pictograph. Which graph we are going to use? Here we are going to use a pictograph. So pictograph, use a picture or symbol to show a number and represent information. What my dear all students, a pictograph use a pictures or symbols to show a number and represent the information. Means here they all are shows or represent the information my dear all students. So what to do that time? That time we are not the all things. Got my points my dear all students? Then after we are write answers. Then after we are going to write the answer my dear all students. Got my points? What I am telling you my dear all students? So let's check this pictograph. All my dear students, we are going to use the picture for a pictogram. We are going to use a picture or symbols. Got my points all of you what I am telling you? So here is the what? Keywords. Girls, boys, teacher and key. Okay, as per I was told you my dear students, key. Each smiley is equal to one person. What is the meaning of each smiley? Each smile is equal to one person. Got my points all of you? So what we are going to write for a one smiley? One smiley, each smiley is equal to one person. Again and again I am telling you that point we have to keep it in mind my dear students. Okay, girls, how many girls are here? So now we are going to count the girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are total 12 girls. Got my points? So now I am going to write the answer here. 12. 12. How can we know? It's a 12? 12 smile. One smile is equal to one person. Each smile is equal to one person. Now we are going to count the strength of boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So there are 9 boys. So now I am going to write here the 9. And then after now we will going to count the strength of teacher. Got my points all my dear students? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So three teachers are there, my dear all students. Okay, three teachers are there, my dear all. Understood? Got my points, all of you, what I'm telling you? So here is three teachers. Understood? So now here we are going to write the question answer. Okay, so as per I was told you yesterday, we have done the question answer of this pictograph. Okay, so let's check, and we are going to write a proper answer and proper method of pictograph. What is the method of pictograph, my dear all students? When we use a pictograph, first check the title. Always, my dear students, what we have to check, what I am telling you, my all dear students, whenever we are going to solve the pictograph, okay, whenever we are going to solve the pictograph, all my dear students, that time the title we are going to keep it by the title. What is the title of this picture, this pictograph? So let's check the title of this pictograph. What, all my dear students? See, people at the nature walk. It's the title. Understood, all my dear students? People at the nature walk. It's the title of this pictograph, my dear all. Understood? Again, I am going to repeat for you all, dear. When you use a pictograph, first check the title. What we have to check first, my dear students? We have to check a first title. The title tells you what information the pictograph gives. Means what, my dear students? The title tells you. Means title what tell us? Title tell us information the pictograph gives. Okay, and next, what we have to check the next? Next, we have to check the key. See, this is the key, my dear students. Key here. Key. Okay, dear students, it's the title. Understood? People at the nature walk. And key is what? Key shows a key, tell us a meaning and the value of the picture symbol. Here, which a value, my dear students? Per symbol and per smiley. Each smiley is equal to one person. Put my points, my dear all students. What I am telling you, these all things are important for us, my dear. So let's note down these things. The K tells you, means K, the keywords, the key tell we the meaning and the value of the picture symbol. Got my points, my dear all students? So we have to note down these all things in our book. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, we have to write the all things in our book. Understood? Now the pictograph tell us how many of each this different creators the workers show. What, dear all? The pictograph tells you how many each these of different creators the worker shows. Understood? Now say here, that is a what, all my dear students? A different question. What, my dear students? Different question are here. First of all, note down the name of this title. What, my dear all students? We have to note down the name of title. Number of small creates a scene on the walk. Number of a small created number of the small created soon on the walk. Seen on the walk. Got my point, all dear? So here is what? Sparrow, butterfly, ant and squirrel. Okay, the key here show that a one left stand for a 5 creators. Okay, means 1 left is equal to 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you? So these all things are important for us, all my dear students. Understood all? The key here show that a 1 left stand for a fire. 1 lift is what shows, my dear students? 1 lift shows as a 5 creatures. Got my points? So 2 leaves means a 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10 creators. Okay, that is only example is here. That is only example here. bird since minus 6 multiplied by 5. Okay, 6 5s are 30 birds are there. Butterfly, insects and squirrel are there. So what we have to do, we have to check the all information, and we are going to check the all information of this pictograph. Good my points. I hope you all are understood and properly detail wise did all topic we are going to learn in next session. Good my points. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students, watching for this video. Thank you all, my dear students.